Today we're doing proximity nodes. Let's get into it. Today we're getting straight into the meat and potatoes. So let's click new. Let's go head over to geometry nodes tab, click new, hit shift A, and add an empty. Okay, hit control A and add scale. Click your cube, drag over your empty. Okay, shift A, we're going to add a mesh line. These are just vertices and points in the middle of a start and a end point. So we're going to add location to the start location. Shift A, then add your proximity node. Alright, and then we're going to add mesh to geometry, change that geometry to points. From there, we're going to add a color ramp. This is pretty much going to control the diameter of the effect. You'll see it in a bit. Color ramp. And then you put the distance into the factor. Alright, so pretty much this will be the baseline if you want to use a proximity node while using an empty and just have a little bit more control. Alright, now let's see this effect in action. Okay, so shift A, let's go ahead and add a grid. Add a grid. Get rid of the group input. Add your grid. Add your distribute on points. Oop. Shows you that. Add your distribute on points. Shift A. Add your instances. Add your instances to your points. Shift A, add a cube. Cube on those points. Add your cube to your instances. Right? Now, we want to combine these two things together. So we add join, geometry. Add it together, and then here we go. We have something here. We do a little bit of cleanup for the grid. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. We're going to make it 3 on the X and 3 on the Y. Right? For the density, for the distribute on points, we're going to make it 100. C 30. For the size of the cube, we're going to make it 0.05. For the Y, 0.05. For the Z, 0.125. And then let's bring this up. Let's bring the cube up. Shift A, let's add a translate. Just to move it up in the Z axis. Instance translate. Oh. Shift A. Translate instances. There we go. 0.065 for the instance translate. Now that's moved up. That's good, that's good. Now for the final part. When we connect these points to the instance, we should be able to control our proximity. So we connect the color into the scale. Now look at that. Alright. Now we can move this around. Have this right, have the color ramp right here to be able to control the diameter of it. See if I wanted more of effect, less of effect, more, more. You just have a little bit more of control. But there you go, guys. This is how you would do and use your proximity nodes. Alright. Let's give you guys a bigger screen. Here we go. There we go. And yeah, that's how you go ahead and do it. And let's say if you wanted to go ahead and do a little bit of an animation, click the animation button right there. Go ahead and move it a little bit. Move it right here. Now it's animated. And this can be used for a lot of things. So let's say you can think about it more or less. This could be a little city. You know, let's say if this was like a little city, and you can use the color ramp to start it up, and then it got decimated. Now this is a decimated city. Alright, this is Sam and Jordan at World Wide Web. Peace.